Today we're looking at a photo outing at my local state park, in this case in mid-August, so still very warm out, but a specific day was not bad. With photography, especially this area, there are distinct seasons, and in the summer you get full of trees, full of green nature. All the paths are pretty tight because those trees usually overgrow into them. Went to a few different areas at the state park. First, right where I parked, there was a really beautiful spot. I took a few quick photos there. It was a little muddy, really glistening a little bit with that water. See some flowers shooting up through these little paths. I think those are probably deer paths. Some type of animal makes those tracks and it just wears down. Beautiful spot, quick photos right there. One thing to keep in mind in the summertime or any situation where any type of branch comes over a path, when you walk through there, try not to brush up against anything, because usually ticks and other creatures like that will sit on those branches and wait for something to walk past, and then that's how they get to their intended target. Just keep that in mind when you're in those situations. I do use off spray with DEET most likely, and I spray my shoes, I spray the bottom of my pants area, under the socks. I always wear pants.
Pants.
I don't wear any type of shorts. I was using the Canon EOS M50 with EF 85mm f1.8 lens. Good lens for these situations. I've been using it more with nature. I'm not too thrilled with the lens in other situations, but we can talk about that in a different video. With these nature photos, I usually try to feature some type of plant that catches my eye at the time if it grows a little taller than the other plants around it or just has a unique look to it. That's what I tend to focus on. Minimum focus distance on EF 85mm isn't ideal. It's a standard portrait lens, so under these situations it might not be a great option to get those closer up nature photos. When you're out there in nature taking photos, you start to see things that catch your eye, especially even just simple leaves with the light coming onto them, or they just have a nice shape to them. Any type of thing like that is a potential great subject. It really depends on you and what you're interested in taking photos of. When you're in an area with a strong canopy of nature, you get those nice beams of light. With that, you can get the silhouetted trees, another good opportunity. This lens does suffer from chromatic aberrations. You got the purple fringing, all those issues that come with large aperture lens. In a previous video, I was taking photos in this really long straight path. I did go back there to check it out this time of year. Again, good opportunity for photos because you have that really long distance to it. You can mess with where you're focusing. If you focus closer, you get the nice blur in the background. You focus further, of course you get more in focus, like straight down the path. Saw this fence, super weathered, good opportunity for photos, of course. Get some nice texture in the images, try to take some photos of that. As I was walking back to my car, saw another photo op, took my camera back out. Really beautiful, bright yellow flowers and kind of close to the road, so I don't think many people would see this. Saw them shooting up on a dark background. They really popped. It was another simple photo outing. Hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, please consider subscribing. That helps me out a lot. Likes and shares help out a lot as well. Thanks again.